out about it last night.
Are you swinging with Brian and Abby? Brian, you want to flip your swing around too so you can swing higher? Like Matthew's doing? Yeah. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me.
Picture of you, Doobie.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Take a picture of me, Uncle Jeff.
Oh.
Daredevil.
Here we go. Yeah. I go higher than Abby.
He's really going, isn't he?
I go higher than Abby.
Whee! Push! Swing!
It's Matthew's first time on a big boy swing. Jason doing the two-stroke.
Yeah. Not the first time.
He didn't catch that. Push! Hold on, Matthew! You gotta hold on, you might fall.
He tells those arms straight out.
Are you a little daredevil? You
Scare,
gotta hold on.
scare Mama to death.
I'll go stand right here so I can put you and Brian both.
She likes watching you all.
It scared me.
What'd he do?
He let go. He was swinging with no hands. It scared me.
His little cheeks are so red.
Hi. Swing high.
Yay, little buddy.
This will be his new favorite video. Matthew swinging very high. Very high. He's running. His little legs, they go in opposite times. He's kicking like he's swimming. What?